Sourness adds freshness to a dish, especially when cooking meat. Sourness speeds up meat's fibering, more tender meat. Just the acidity itself. It also improves digestion, increase appetite. Most of the sourness in Chinese food comes from vinegar. The best feature of Zhenjiang vinegar is its slight sweetness. Zhenjiang people eat crab roe steamed dumplings by pouring balsamic vinegar into the soup of the dumplings. They believe that this is the only way to get the best flavor. What the local people can't even imagine is, without the balsamic vinegar and ginger, whether or not shao pork can still be called a famous dish in Zhenjiang. To get such a delicious sour, there must be a long, quiet wait. Zhenjiang balsamic vinegar is made from glutinous rice. The soaked glutinous rice is steamed at high temperature. Cook the starch to thicken. Then cool it down with a cold shower. Shrinking of the rice grains is conducive to microbial reproduction. Mix in the wine. Starch fermentation produces wine. Then comes the crucial process of making vinegar, acetic acid fermentation. This determines the production and quality of balsamic vinegar. 21 days of evolution produces acidity. Then go into a month-long vinylization phase. This process is the secret of flavor.